Grandma has asked me to make her a banana sandwich. And cut the banana thin. She said, cut the banana thin, baby. Well, what Grandma wants, Grandma get. Here we go. Got some real mayonnaise. Just a little bit. Put too much on there, you might do something with her cholesterol. Second slice of bread. Another dibble dabble of mayonnaise, just a hair. You thought I'm gonna put all that on there, but I didn't. See. Now, mash it down flat. Booyah! Just like that. A banana sandwich, baby. This is stuff so easy to make too. Just dump it into a glass of water. Give a little stir. Add ice. And then you got instant diet iced tea. Yum, boy. And the best part about it was you can get one of these Wyler's like singles to go. Comes with about, I don't know how many is in it, but they're $1. $1. It's a good deal, Lucille. How's your banana sandwich? That's a good lunch. Banana sandwich and tea. Cut!